Hi everyone, this is Monica Devi Palisetti from the Cisco Tag Firewall team. In this video, I want to demonstrate how to configure managed devices to send diagnostic syslog messages to Secure Firewall Management Center FMC and view them in the Unified Event Viewer. This feature has been introduced in FMC 7.6 and it can be configured on any secure firewall threat defense FTD running a software version compatible with FMC 7.6. Let's see how we can enable this feature in a detailed way. Navigate to Devices Platform Settings. Create a new policy by clicking on Threat Defense Settings Policy or New Policy Threat Defense Settings. Give a name to the policy and the description is optional and select the target device and add it to the policy. Click Save to save the policy. If there is an existing policy, click Edit at the top right corner of the policy to open it and edit. Move to Syslog logging setup. Enable logging to turn on diagnostic message logging to the FTD. Here you can see logging to Secure Firewall Management Center, which allows to send logs to FMC. If you don't want to send any logs to FMC, you can disable this feature by choosing the option off. If you want to send VPN logs itself, you can choose VPN logs. The default logging level is set to errors, but any of the available logging levels can be selected. It is suggested to limit the logging level to errors or above to restrict the excessive flow of Syslogs to FMC. Here comes our new addition all logs which allows to send all logs to FMC including VPN. But only three logging levels are available for this option. That is emergencies, alert and critical. Any one of those logging levels can be selected for this option. Here I'm going with all logs and the logging level critical. Click Save and then deploy the changes. Once the deployment is finished, the config is pushed to FTD and now the FTD can send logs to FMC. Let's wait for the deployment to be finished. The deployment is completed. Let me show you how we can view these logs on FMC. Navigate to Analysis Unified Events. A new troubleshooting view is added in the Unified Event Viewer table. In this view, a new troubleshooting event type is added for these logs. You can add or remove other event types as well to this view, but the troubleshooting event type can't be removed as it is central to this view itself. These logs can also be accessed from devices troubleshooting logs. Earlier, this option was under devices VPN troubleshooting. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.